Hello everyone, this is Fazlur Rahman here from codebook.in. Today I brought you a new project on blockchain technology in cybersecurity domain. The concept of the project is very clear that we are going to provide here some security, okay, to the data in, let's say, in social media platforms or in any sector where the images are being uploaded, images are being stored in cloud or anywhere. Okay, so totally image security concept we are going to implement in this. Let me tell you the technologies which are used in this project. This project uses front-end and back-end technologies. Front-end, for front-end, it uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for back-end programming language, it uses Python programming language. It is a web application, so we have used here the Django web framework, okay, which is the topmost framework in Python. Got it? Next, we are using a database here. We have used MySQL database in this project. If we want, we can integrate with AWS as well. Okay, for the special request, we can attach AWS real-time cloud in this project. Okay, let me know if you want it. Now, the next thing is, let's see what is the project step by step. First of all, this is the landing page of our project where it has some just simple designing. Next, we have got three different types of users are there in our project. One is the administrator who is going to monitor, okay, data owner and user. So these are the three users. For better execution and explanation, I'm going to, okay, open these three users in three different tabs. Okay, let's assume this tab is for administrator and second tab is for data owner and third tab is for user. Got it? Now let's go to user and try to register a new user here. So let me give the name here. And I'm providing the email ID. The mobile number, location, password, let's say this password, register. And the registration is completed successfully. Now let's try to log in with these credentials. It says account not activated. So it's not like anyone can come easily and use the, okay, application. There is a dependency. We have given a dependency to the administrator such that the administrator will authorize the user accounts. Then only users will be able to use the application. So let's go to admin here and try to log in with administrator credentials. Next, in administrator, this is the dashboard. And we can see here how many total users are there, total data owners, how many uploads are there, total requests, and how many requests, three recent requests is there. View users, if we go and see here, we can see there is a user whose status is pending. Let's click on the accept button here in order to accept the account. Now the account is accepted. Got it? Let's go to user here. Now we can log in. Okay, login is success. You can see view images here, whatever the images are available. There are 4 different types of images are there. Okay, so let's go to view status is there. If you have sent any requests to download or access the image, okay, profile is there, log out. Let's go to data owner and try to register a data owner as well. Mobile number, next location, password, let's say this password, register. registered successfully. Here also, if we try to log in, projects@codebook.in, password is this. If we try to log in here, it says account not activated. Similarly, we have to go to admin here, view data owner, and we can see there is a user whose account is pending. Let's try to click on accept button and the account is accepted. Let's try to log in now. Now you can see the login is success. Now data owner's job is nothing but to upload the data in the server. So let's say file ID. What is the ID of this file? I'm saying 145. Image name. What is the image name? My pick. Tags is nothing but personal. Okay. Upload the picture here. Let's select some picture and upload. Okay. It's uploaded successfully. Now we can go to view uploads and check it. Here it's available. Okay. Now let's go to user and go to view images. You will notice that we have got a new image just now, which we have uploaded from the data owner. Now here there is a search bar has been given. If you want to search, you can search here. Okay, what's that? My pick. Now you can send a request to download it. Okay, you can, if you want, you can right click here. If any user is trying to download or trying to access the image by right clicking it, you can see here right click is disabled on this page. Okay, see here, when I right click here, JavaScript message, right click is disabled on this page. Let's click on request download button and the request sent successfully. Okay, this we have made a request. Okay, let me click here again. You can see request already sent for this image. There is no need to resend the request. Now let's go to data owner and check in the view request if we have any request or not. We have got a pending request here from this, okay, user. Got it? Let's try to accept this. And you can see the key is generated. Let's copy this key for a while if in case we want. The key is generated. With this key only, the user can download it. Let's go to user and view status. Now you can see here the key is generated automatically. And if I want to verify this, I can click on this verify. It will verify with the blockchain network here. Okay, this file will be verified with the blockchain network, whether it's genuine or not. Let's click on this. And you can see this is a valid image. We have got a valid image here. Block 1, block 2, block 3. 3 different hash blocks have been created, a blockchain network kind. Okay. Now we can click on download. So the image will be downloaded here. This is the image. Okay. So now for an instance, let's go to view status. Now here I'm going to database. And this is our database, image security. Under owner uploads table. This is the image which we have uploaded. Let's try to modify something. I'm trying to change the name. Let's say some intruder or unauthorized user or hacker tries to access the data and some data is being modified at the server. Now, what if I try to access this file? Okay, let's try to check it out. I'm clicking on the verify with the blockchain button here. Got it? And you can see the message here. This image has been tampered. Okay, this image has been tampered. Got it? So again, if I go over there and if I change it to its original state, verify valid image. So this is the project concept. We are trying to provide high risk security to the images using blockchain technology. Okay, this is the user side. View images option is there, where all the images, all the data owners, whatever they have uploaded, all the images will be displayed. We can search from here. And next we have got, if we have sent any request, we can check the status here and we can verify with the blockchain network. We can see the profile here. Okay, and similarly for data owner also, we have got view uploads, how many uploads we have got. View request is there. If you want to upload a new file, we can go to upload here and we can check the profile here and we can update whatever the things we want to update. And we have a admin here. Admin will check here, view users, view data owners, view request, how many users have sent the request, and like that. Okay, so this was a simple application in order to implement the blockchain technology in image security. Okay, so hope you understood this project concept. If you have any doubts still, you can contact me to the number given, or you can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.